Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of Birchbox. And if I'm honest with you, I kind of forgot that this is one of the subscription boxes I get. I get Ipsy, I get Boxy Charm, I used to get FabFit, Fun FabFit, whatever the heck that one is. And slowly as my subscriptions have been expiring, I'm letting them run out because I find I get a lot of junk that I just really don't use. And so right now I'm trying to get into this box. I'm hoping that you're noticing a difference in the quality of my video. I made an investment in a new camera and this is the first video that I am shooting with it. So leave me a comment down below if you're noticing a difference. Also, if you are not subscribed, I would sure love it if you would subscribe. Now that I've hit 100, my next goal is 500 and it would be delightful if you were part of that. All right, so I'm kind of remembering Birchbox. Every month you get, this is probably the plainest, in fact this is the plainest box I've gotten from them, but they give cute boxes and all the things. They give you pouches. If you need pouches, sign up for Birchbox and Ipsy because you get more pouches than a whole herd or flock of kangaroos. Anyway, let's take a look inside. It says, join the party customer appreciation day. And I've been given stickers. Okay, I'm a 51-year-old adult. They're cute stickers. I don't know what I'd use them for. Anyway, okay, so nice pink, what is that? Tissue paper on the inside. Just for subscribers, free travel size of Sunday Riley. Good jeans with a $35 shop purchase. I don't think I'll be doing that. Let's see what's in here. Here is a Momo conditioner. Moisturizing conditioner for dry or dehydrated hair. All right, I can definitely use that with my colored hair. So that's something good I'm looking forward to trying. Also from Momo, shampoo. All right, moisturizing shampoo. That's kind of a nice size and that's good for travel. It's got a good firm closing top and it looks like when you unscrew that, look at that nice wide mouth. Easy for refilling with something else for travel. So I like that. Then I also got this R plus OC, I think is the company, Rodeo Star Thickening Style Foam. I'll be curious to try this and I'll probably let you know how it works in a future video. Oh, a beauty blender. I guess, can we call it a beauty blender if it's not beauty blender? This is called Makeup Drop. All right, and I wonder what that little, a small amount of product directly to the silicone side. And dab, draw, or sculpt makeup onto face and blend out edges with the sponge side. Add smile. All right, well I do have that super sponge that is a beauty blender coated in silicone, which I really like. I don't think this is that big of a deal, but I'll try it. IPKN, a Korean cosmetics company. Feel like in these boxes there's always something from these folks. And this is Moist and Firm BB Broad Spectrum for 45, SPF 45. So, and I'm going to guess that it's all, no, this is a mix of titanium dioxide, two that appear to be chemical, sunscreens, and then zinc oxide. All right. I am glad I got this. I will try this out for a sunscreen. And some my sealer water. Okay, this is from Marcel. I haven't actually tried any of these cleansing waters. I use Clinique's Take the Day Off balm, and then I use my Clarisonic. This says it is oil-free, alcohol-free, fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, and soap-free for oily skin. I do not have oily skin. Maybe I'll see if my daughter will try it. And last but not least, can you see this? Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Spray onto pillow before bedtime. Contains geranol, linalool, lemon. Okay, so you may not know this, but I am a certified aromatherapist, and so I recognize linalool as one of the chemical components in a lot of essential oils. What the heck does this smell like? Let's see here. Yeah, it's got a little lavender in it, which I would expect. Not sure what else it's got. I'll try it, why not? And so that's Birchbox. As you can see, they're all deluxe trial sizes, and then you're given the information on what the full size ones are. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a really good one.